Hey everyone, welcome back to AWESMR Toys. Today, we'll be cutting up some more fruits and vegetables. Here's a closer look at all the items we'll be cutting, and I'll also give an interesting fact about each item we slice. Alright, we'll be using a red cutting board and this knife. Let's start with this orange carrot. Chop it in half. Fun fact, do you know the average person will consume 10,866 carrots in a lifetime? That's a lot of carrots. Next up, let's slice this juicy tomato in half. Ooh, the heaviest tomato according to Guinness World Record weighed 7 pounds and 12 ounces. That's a lot of pizza sauce you could make with one tomato. Moving on, now let's peel this corn. Did you know that corn will have an even number of rows on each cob? That's pretty interesting. Alright, now let's cut this broccoli in half. Did you know that broccoli has been around for more than 2,000 years? Woo, that's a long time. What's next? Oh, let's cut this grapefruit in half. When it was first found, grapefruit was named the forbidden fruit. What a mysterious fruit this used to be. Now let's peel this cabbage. Did you know that cabbage has been cultivated for longer than almost any other vegetable on record? Wow! Moving on. Now let's cut this red apple in half. Life expectancy for an apple tree is about 100 years. You can grow a lot of apples with one tree. Let's see what's next. Let's slice this apricot in half. If you didn't know, apricots are a relative of the peach. Okay, now let's slice this strawberry in half. In ancient Greece, the strawberry was a symbol for Venus, the goddess of love. Now let's slice this lemon in half. Did you know that lemon trees can produce up to 600 pounds of lemons every year? Woo-wee! That's a lot of lemons. Now let's slice this pineapple in half. Fun fact, pineapples can regenerate. You can plant pineapple leaves to grow a new plant. That's pretty cool. Moving on. Now let's chop this green bell pepper in half. Botanically speaking, bell peppers are fruits. However, they are considered vegetables in culinary contexts. Okay, now let's chop this kiwi in half. Fun fact, eating 2 kiwis an hour before bedtime will help you fall asleep quicker. I should try this. Alright, now let's peel this orange. Orange peels can be used by gardeners to sprinkle over vegetables as slug repellent. That's an interesting tip. Now let's slice this mushroom in half. Here's a fun fact. Mushrooms are made up of around 90% water. Okay, now let's chop this onion in half. Here's a tip. You can get rid of onion breath by eating parsley. It's time to carry around some parsley. Let's see what's next. Let's chop this watermelon in half. Watermelons are cousins of cucumbers, pumpkins, and squash. Now let's cut these grapes in half. Fun fact, the sweet and sour taste of grapes enlightens your mood and makes you stress and depression free. Pretty interesting. Now let's check out some green peas. Fossil evidences indicate that people consumed peas even during the Bronze Age. That's a long time ago. Anyway, let's put our 3 peas back into the pod. Alright, now let's chop this cucumber in half. Fun fact, sliced cucumbers give an almost instant relief to sunburned skin. Now let's slice this eggplant in half. Did you know the origin of eggplant is considered to be India, where it continues to grow wild? Last but not least, let's slice this banana in half. Did you know that bananas float in water, as do apples and watermelons? If you want to watch more surprise toys being opened, be sure to click that subscribe button. See ya!